Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate product descriptions using AI. In this case, you can see that I have a bunch of random products. For example, sneakers, office chairs, backpack, and I have a lot of data points about each product. For example, the brand name, model name, features, color, material, target audience, use case, style, price, and then I want to generate a product title and a detailed product description for each of these products. So in this case, I'm using this multi AI script Google Sheets. It has a scripts attached. If I show you here, you can see that it has a detailed like 300 400 lines of code in the script that is already attached. And now the next steps would be to set everything properly and then run the script to get the outputs. So at first, you can see that I have a prompt written. If I expand it, this is a very detailed prompt. For example, write a 100-character SEO-friendly product title using the following product information: product type, brand, model name, and all the information that you are seeing in these columns. These are being passed in the prompt. And at last, I'm also saying that be under 100 characters and click worthy. Capitalize each word except prepositions and articles. Be clear, readable, and straight. So if I just drag this prompt down from here, you can drag it down from here, or you can also just press shift key and down arrow key and keep pressing down till the last row where you have the data, and just press command D or control D, and the formula applies to all these rows, and now you'll have like unique prompts. It's ready. Now we have the prompt for the description. So let's see it. Write a professional and engaging product description of around 250 words using the following product information: product title, product type, brand, model name, key features, color, material, target audience, use case, style, and a lot of additional instructions on how to do that. So use the first or second person point of view when appropriate. Keep it clear, easy to read, and helpful for someone deciding whether to buy. Do not use markdown format, right? Yes, so this is the prompt. And when I pressed enter, it's already giving me suggestions to apply the prompt to all of the rows. And if I just click here, it will apply that, which is exactly same as dragging down from here. But you'll also notice that the product title here in the prompt is empty currently. If I expand it, see that the product title is coming from the L2 column, and the L2 column is currently empty. So it does not show the product title yet. But when we run the script, first this column will be processed, and after that this will be passed to this prompt description. So yeah, let's do that and see how it works. Let's go to this settings sheet, and since this is like multi AI script, you have the OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, and a lot of models available. But in this case, I'll be using OpenAI. I already have the OpenAI API pasted here, which I cannot show you because it should be private. And this is the temperature, OpenAI Max tokens, and the system prompt. So if I scroll down, in this case, our sheet name is product description, as you can see here. So I already have a few sheets here. You can see that invitation, furniture and all, but I don't have this product description added here. So I'll add it, product description. And in this case, I'm using OpenAI for this. So I'll just select OpenAI and then GPT 4.1. So I'll just write 4.1. Yes, it shows up. And then start processing from row number and then process till row number. So I'll go here, and obviously we'll be processing from row number 2 and then process till row number 26, right? So I'll just write that 26, and then it asks me for prompt columns and output columns. So if I go here, first prompt column is K and I want the output in the column L. So I'll just write K and L, and then the second prompt is in the column M and N. So I have written here M and N. This time I'll be only processing this sheet, so I'll just check this and others will be unchecked, and it's ready. Once I click on this generate button, it should start processing and we should see the output. So yes, you can see that the outputs are coming, and this is like very detailed, and there won't be any inaccuracies because this is not generating the outputs from its own memory. It's generating the outputs from the data that we have provided here in the prompt. So let's see that. Stride Flex Max Air 2.0 sneakers, white, blue, lightweight, breathable, mesh for runners, daily training. And daily training and daily runs, runners, mesh, foam, white, blue, lightweight, breathable, whatever is possible, it's using that. Now for the description, if I show you, this is the description. Engineered for dedicated runners, these sneakers from Stride Flex deliver the ideal blend of performance, comfort, and everyday versatility. Designed with athletes in mind, they're perfect for daily training sessions and regular runs. And all the key features and everything is included. Similarly, for this, key features and everything, similarly for others. The descriptions are really high quality because all the information that are being shown here, you can see that for teens and young adults. So let's see that. Where is this data coming from? For teens and young adults. All the information in the description, in the title here will be coming from these columns that you have. So there are zero chances of inaccuracies. It's currently running. As you can see that the script is running. You can cancel it if you want. And yeah, I think there are still a few rows left. And the best thing is if I cancel it, for example, if I didn't like these two outputs, so I can just delete it and then run it again, and it will just generate the outputs for those two rows. You can see that others are unaffected. And when these when the title got created, title is getting passed in the prompt here. You can see that now this time product title trailmate summit X, this is here in the prompt for the description, and then using that it's generating the descriptions. So it's like whatever you can mention in the prompt and it works. Let me cancel it. And if you want to use any other model, for example, let me delete these two, and this time I want to use Claude model. So I'll just select Claude, and this time let's search for Claude, and I think yes, Claude 3 point sonnet latest would be good. So let's check that. Let me delete it and let's generate again, and I should see the output now using the Claude model. So yes, so if you want the script, you can get it from here on this page. You don't need any additional app, just Google Sheets and your AI API, and that's all. I'll put the link to this script in the description below. You can get it from there, and see you in the next video.